Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can create a personal folder in your own computer to which you store Outlook items. You must do this if you do not have a Microsoft Exchange server and are using Outlook on a standalone computer. Even if you have an Exchange server, you can also create personal folders to which to manually store Outlook items. A personal folder is a file type that ends with a .pst file extension. If you do not have an Exchange server mailbox, then a personal folder is created when you initially configure your email accounts in Outlook. This folder contains your mail or inbox and other items. If you use a personal folder for item storage, you hold the items on your computer in a folder that no one else but you can access. You can view your folders by clicking the Folders icon in the navigation bar. To create a personal folder in Outlook, click the File tab in the ribbon. If needed, then click the Info command at the left side of the Backstage view. To the right of that, click the Account Settings button. Then choose the Account Settings command from the button's drop-down menu to open the Account Settings dialog box. In this dialog box, click the Data Files tab. Then click the Add button on this tab to open the Create or Open Outlook Data File dialog box. Here you can navigate to the folder in which to create the new personal folder. Then type a name for the new folder into the File Name field. When finished, click the OK button to create the personal folder data file. The file then appears within the Data Files tab in the Account Settings dialog box. When finished, click the Close button. If needed, click the Folders icon in the navigation bar to view your Outlook folders in the folder pane at the left side of the screen. Note that there is now a new folder with the name you entered in the folder pane. If you click to expand this folder, notice that it has its own Deleted Items folder. You can click the folder to view its contents. You can also move items from other Outlook folders into this folder if desired. To close the personal folder in Outlook, right-click the folder's entry in the folder pane. Then select the Close Folder Name command from the pop-up menu that appears. Doing this removes the entry from the folder pane too. To reopen the personal folder to return it to the folder pane, click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Open and Export command at the left side of the Backstage view. To the right of that, click the Open Outlook Data File button. At that point, the Open Outlook Data File dialog box appears. Use it to navigate to the location on your computer where you saved the personal folder. Then click it to select it. Then click the OK button in this dialog box to reopen the personal folder and place it back into your folder pane. To delete a personal folder in Outlook, first make sure the folder is closed in Outlook. If using Outlook, then exit Outlook as you cannot delete the folder while Outlook is running. Then use File Explorer in Windows to navigate to the folder into which you saved the personal folder. Click it to select it. Then press the Delete key on your keyboard to send the folder to your computer's recycle bin.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.